Hi, I'm Thomas and welcome again to the Slimbox lab. Today we want to show you how you can package panels with Slimbox. Panels can be a true packaging pain. They're often long, they're very fragile, especially on the corners and the sides, and they're just difficult to pile, which makes it even more fragile. We have three different solutions on how we can pack panels. The first one is package a panel that is a bit higher and small on the sides. The second panel is the typical panel that we all know, the door size, which is also very good solutions to package doors, no matter the dimensions of the door you want to pack. It could even be glass doors or doors that are very fragile for scratches, for example. And thirdly, we want to package a panel like this, which is actually wider than the width of our corrugated, which is 1 meter and 3 centimeters. And we've made a solution to double protect the corners and the sides, so you can be sure that if you package your panel, no matter what dimensions with your Slimbox, that you'll have a safe shipment.